Hi all, I'm back. Back with something new. This evening, while having a chat in a WhatsApp group, I was trying to understand the different thoughts people have and the inference which I could make out with every thought, every share, every text from different people that everyone is struggling to make life easier. Life is easy, very simple. I think we make it complex. Even I have learnt it hard way with my own experience as how to be a part of what we desire and find the independent fulfillment. There was always a calling from childhood. I always used to hear that. But somehow I used to started, I ignored it. And I felt that something is there which trips me, drags me, puts me back to a path which sometimes we as human beings fail or ignore to follow. And there we do not want to change ourselves and we feel that maybe that is not the right way. But actually, it is about registering your energy, what you want to do, and how you read your behavior and what you want to do. Maybe you are doing that. Maybe you are not recognizing it. Maybe you are doing it but not accepting it. Depending on severity of what you are and what you want to change about yourself, definitely can make life more easier. Small changes to the environment can make your life more easier. This will not change life drastically, but will make things more easier. And then we as human being always thrive to do things which makes our life easier. You can think about the goals and ideas you wish to pursue and cannot be exactly do what you want to do. But maybe around this it can make your life more easier and make you help you think in more easier fashion. For example, other day also I was talking with someone or I gave one question to someone. What kind of water bottle do you have? Person told me he has a green, a grey, a red. I just asked him, can you change the water bottle and have a transparent water bottle? He was like, what difference that it makes? It's a water bottle. It also contains the same amount of water. But then I gave him a very different thought process. I tried asking him, investigating about what will happen, but he could not figure out what will happen. Now just think about, do you know when you have anything transparent, the energy flows easily. That will help you to have zero friction between you and your water. Similarly, so you will drink more. So, similarly, when your life is transparent, it will make you flow easier. It will make you flow easier as destined. It will make you flow easier the way you think. It will make it more easier with understanding people and your own thoughts around it. Imagine blocking a website that isn't helpful or removing or blocking people who sucks your energies. Just imagine decluttering it. Make a day planner and just keep it next to your bed. Remove one page every day from it. Imagine that and when you go to bed and see next day morning what is new. So that gives you a refresh energy, and these are very small things, little things which can make your life easier. Another example is like setting up a Google routine. If you are a forgetful person, you can have a Google reminder that helps you more organized. Now, it is just the share in the differences how you think. But everything what you think and you share or you do is all about the awareness and the intelligence we carry. Charles Darwin did said right that we have evolved from chimpanzee. And if you see physiologically, we are only 1.3% distance from being a chimpanzee. Not a big difference, isn't it? We are yet apart from chimpanzee. So our problem is just this. We have an intelligence for which we do not have stable enough platform. The problem with us is our intelligence and has turned against us. We can give any number of reasons, but essentially our intelligence turned against us. Now, this is a time where we should avoid shortcuts. and try to fix distraction we are having. In this disruptive world, we are distracted by materialism, we are distracted by huge amount of money, and we feel everything money can make. But we make our life easier by only little things, solving our emotional problems on one hand, and not having solved our unsolved issues. Escaping from it will make our life more tougher, harder. Radically, let's make a 180-degree U turn to solve these issues. Our life will become much more easier. Let's experience our belief. Let's start solving our emotional issues in enjoyable and free will experience. We don't have to stir in the same glass of issues, which is called as very conventional therapy. जिस glass में भर जाएगा problem, उसी को आप घुमाते जा रहे हो, that's not a solution. Flushing out will only help. So what we do, what we believe is hard, jumping into our life will become more easier, because then we are going to break the fear, break the notions, and have a big boxing or fight with our own life. Whether it is emotionally, financially, mentally, physically, or any other consequences which comes around life because of these issues, will all be solved out. Let me know in comment box by following this for next 4 weeks. We start in a direction of solving your problem. To help you experience your journey, we are going to make it more easier. We will be creating more videos around this topic because there will be lot many issues coming around making life easier. And I'm here there to solve your issues about breaking up your notions, freeing you from your tough life. So stay tuned and write to us at yoursoulsoup@gmail.com. Your guide is always there. Connect to reconnect. Try to understand. The life is very simple. Express yourself. Jump into tiny little things, or jump into the things which gives you fear, which gives you a sleepless night. Make your life easier. It will become easier. Try to have your inner calling. Try to talk to yourself. Try talking to us. So stay tuned. Have a lovely day. Have an easy life.